In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a stroke to texts in Framer websites. This process is quite straightforward and very rewarding, especially if you want to give your website a professional and polished look. So, let's get started. First, go to Framer, the no-code website builder that's widely appreciated by designers for its intuitive interface and powerful features. If you haven't already, you'll want to log into your account. Just navigate to the Framer login page. Here, you'll find it easy to enter your credentials. If you're new to Framer, you'll need to create an account, which is also a simple process. Once you're logged in, you should be on the Framer homepage. This is where all your projects are listed. It offers a great overview of everything you're working on and makes it easy to switch between different projects if needed. Next, you'll want to select the project you're planning to work on. This will take you into the project's main workspace, where you can make all the changes and edits you need. Inside your project, look for the text element that you'd like to modify. You can do this by either scrolling through the page design or using the Layers panel, which displays a structured view of all the elements present on your page. Once you've found your text, go ahead and click on it. This will open up the Text Settings panel on the right side of your screen, which offers a range of options for customizing your text's appearance. Now, focus your attention on the stroke option in this settings panel. Adding a stroke essentially means you'll be outlining your text with a color border, which can be quite striking. Click on Stroke, and you'll be able to select the color and width of the stroke. Choose a color that complements the rest of your design. A contrasting stroke can make text stand out, while a subtler stroke can add texture without being too bold. Experiment with different widths too. A thicker stroke can be more eye-catching, but might not be the best choice for intricate fonts or smaller text. And that's it. You now have a stroked text in your Framer project. This technique can be especially useful in headlines or in areas where you want to draw attention to specific words or phrases. Feel free to play around with different colors and widths until you find the perfect combination for your design. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you experiment with these tools, the more efficient you'll become at creating visually stunning websites. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Далее мы приступим к изучению других особенностей Framer, чтобы профессионально выглядеть ваши сайты.